Day 14, and we're going to day 15.
Nowhere.
So we're gonna walk around a bit.
So you think that was the jacuzzi?
Probably not here, and probably go around and walk around the lake a little bit in the park. Enjoy a little bit of the creation. We are out in nature, and we got about halfway out, and it is raining. It is beautiful out here, and the nature has surrounded us. So we're sitting under a beautiful tree here, just enjoying it because it's a little bit of covering from the rain, but we are staying dry and looking at the lake. Well, we found a lion with eagle's wings.
No, but I'm thinking in the animal.
Twilight Zone.
Probably prettier inside.
Maybe. Here we are on a beautiful walk in the middle of the water.
So nice.
Surrounded by lily pads. Dead fishy. And
That fishy, oh!
ready, bakar. And about to go through a giant white door gate thing.
Yeah,
Lihua Lake
Park. Lihua Lake Park.
Lihua Lake Park. We're still in the city park, just kind of relaxing. And it's a little hot in the sun. Humidity is 100%. We're down in the south of China. And everyone seems to be gravitating towards this waterfall over here. Lots and lots of lily pads coming out of the water. Beautiful area out here. What do you think?
Pretty.
This is a
Lotus garden.
lotus garden. You can see the lotuses behind us. The flowers coming up. Like that one right there.
That's pretty.
Beautiful, beautiful area out here. We are back at the hotel, and it is almost sunset. We're going to go down in the lobby to be brought up to the next floor because in this hotel you can't get to another floor because your card allows you to get to a certain floor. So we're going to go visit some family on the next floor. Probably have a little worship and go out and do something else tonight. This is Guangzhou from the 10th floor of our hotel. Guangzhou, China. Getting some food.
Probably I can better and focus on me sitting.
We finished eating and we're standing outside in the lobby of the hotel, and I can't help but look at these geode rocks. Seems like everywhere I go in China they have a store about these rocks that have the crystals forming inside. We're about to go walk around outside. It's about an hour past sunset, and we are going to do some shopping. Shopping.
No, Mario is over there.
Oh,
I saw it somewhere. Oh.
karaoke is such a big thing out here that they have mobile karaoke units that they pull out onto the corners of the streets at night so people can play karaoke. I guess for money. So much that there's two on one corner.